avocado, and papaya. And look, there's fruits. May papaya na and flowers. That's exciting. This one is Chico with weeds. Weed. I forgot what this is, but it's with weeds. That's calamansi. Ang dami. Laging madami. This one is lime. Pero wala pa yung bunga. Walang picture. Feeling pa lang yan. Then this is lemon. Parang walang bunga, no? Parang walang bunga. Oh, by the way, this one is kamote tops. Pero yung lemon, tignan mo, ang lalaki. Lahat nakatago. Hindi ko naman makuha. Kasi may tinik. Sus Maria Josep. But let's see. Look ang tinik. Ang laki. Pucha. Sa Costco walang tinik. Ito na lang, no? But let's see if we can get some. We can make some. I like making lemonades. Look at that. Ang dami pa doon. Wish me luck. Ang bango. Bango.